In this video, I will show you how to check OS version or operating system version of any Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply go to My Phone. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down right here until you get to Android version right here. Go ahead and click on that. Until you get to version info. Go ahead and click on version info. Then here you go. XOS version info. As at the time of making this video, I'm using v14.0.0 and that is your OS version of your Android device. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Android tips tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.